For the first time ever in the history of Lana, I have stuck to a New Year's resolution. I have been working out consistently since January. I've also had 0 drops of alcohol and I did a month of no sugar, except for one cheat day. I've gained enough muscle to where most of my pants fit too tight now, which means I can finally sing along to Nicki Minaj's song, Anaconda. What I've learned in these past few months is that the more resistance you feel towards something, the more crucial it is to plan for it to make it as easy and enjoyable as possible. Here's how I make workouts easy and enjoyable. 1. I always keep clean workout clothes and I know where I put them. 2. I make sure someone can watch Fred while I'm away. 3. I have enough groceries to make myself a nutrient-rich breakfast post-workout. 4. I have found a type of workout that I at least somewhat enjoy. I'll bring you guys along to our session later, but these are the things that have helped me stay consistent by learning exactly what I need to get the day started on the right foot. Thanks to AG1 for sponsoring today's video. A crucial part of my health journey is making sure that I get all the nutrients that I need. As someone who is quite busy but who values a healthy lifestyle, AG1 makes it easier for me to do that. It's made up of 75 high-quality, whole food source ingredients, including vitamins, minerals, superfoods, probiotics, and adaptogens, carefully curated to nourish all the body's systems holistically. I'm all for habits that are easy to implement into my day, because when things feel too complicated, I simply don't do them. With AG1, it's 1 scoop, 8 ounces of water every day, and I'm good to go. So I don't know about you, but personally, I don't like it when things taste too green, if that makes sense. AG1 does not. To me personally, it tastes tropical. That's the only way that I can describe it. I drink it as part of my morning routine, which definitely helps create consistency in my day. And now that I'm staying physically active and love telling everyone about it, performance and recovery have become extra important. AG1 is packed with minerals that aid in recovery from busy days by balancing stress, promoting relaxation, and supporting sleep, which, let's be real, many of us need. Go to athleticgreens.com/LanaBlakely to get started on your order. AG1 is going to give my community a free 1-year supply of immune supporting vitamin D3 plus K2 and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. You don't want to miss that, guys. Thanks to AG1 for sponsoring today's video. This is Jenny, my personal trainer. She pushes me and encourages me just enough to where our workouts are always super challenging but also so much fun. I'll be speeding up some parts of this workout and make some weird cuts because we were playing music and I don't want to get a copyright claim. We always start by warming up and then we go through the itinerary and then we end it with stretching and chit-chatting.
4 block, 3 övningar och så går vi 3. Men 30 sekunder då, så det är det positiva. Att det är 30 sekunder. Okej. Bra jobbat! Härligt, med oss.
Hur kändes?
Ja.
Och mycket i armarna också. What I've realized through my years of working out on and off is that I find it to be much more enjoyable when I'm joined by someone, whether that is by joining a class or being with a trainer or a friend. Some people love going to the gym solo and crushing workouts, and that's just not for me, at least not right now. But that's something I've figured out by trying a bunch of different forms of working out, and that's key to figuring out most things in life.
Nu är det klart. Det är klart.
You try, you evaluate, you try, you evaluate, and then hopefully you will know what you want. After our session, I headed to a cafe to get some breakfast. I'm filled with endorphins at this point, ready to take on the rest of the day. I would like to share a few more things that have helped me stay motivated and excited about living a healthy lifestyle. But I honestly do think that these things apply to habit building in general. Be patient. I know what it's like. You work out once, you check out your abs in the mirror, and they're not there. Weird. But by having that mindset of wanting to see results immediately, you will never be able to make any progress with anything. You need to allow yourself enough time to experience some sort of progress before you give up, whether that is physical or mental or however you choose to define and measure it. Don't quit before you at least get to taste a piece of the reward. But do remember that you need to keep doing that thing, so in this instance, working out, in order to even figure out what that reward is. And then, once you have, decide how you like it. And if you liked it enough, you likely will want to keep going and you won't want to stop. We all want the reward that comes from doing the hard thing, but we don't actually want to do the hard thing. In my experience, when you do something hard enough times, it starts to feel easier. And if the reward is rewarding enough, you will enjoy it too. And you get used to it. You know, it becomes part of your week, your day, and perhaps part of your identity. You become someone who exercises, someone who journals, someone who meditates, someone who writes, someone who can do and become anything as long as they give it time. Trust that.